Kasi,
Sige po.
kasi lumalabas kasi may nag-interview ang may-ari daw ng bahay, si Secretary Roque.
Na nag-apply for POGO license dati.
Hindi po.
Maaring, no.
I deny
It's,
that. I deny that.
You deny it. Okay.
Yes.
You also, nung nagsalita kayo kanina, you also referred to it as bahay ko.
Secretary Roque, if I may, sa inyo ba yung bahay na yun?
Well,
Attorney
una
Roque.
po, magandang umaga po kay Senate President Pro Tempore, kay Madam Chairperson, Senator Antiveros, and kay Senator Gatchalian at sa lahat ng mga bisita rito. Now, ang bahay po na tinutukoy nyo sa Tuba Benguet ay rehistrado sa isang korporasyon. Tiniran ko po yan nung ako po ay umalis ng gobyerno, and I do have an interest in the corporation that owns it. No? Pero wala po sa akin ang possession ng bahay na yan. Dahil as of January of 2024, yan po ay pinaupahan ng korporasyon at ang umuupa po ay isang Wan Yun na isang Chinese national na siya po ay pumirma sa contract of lease ay require siya na magpakita ng Alien Certificate of Registration at lumalabas po na siya ay holder ng isang 9G working visa, meaning she has a right to be in the Philippines. So ang rehistradong lessee po dyan, at yan ay rehistrado rin sa Homeowners Association ng Subdivision para sila ay makapasok, ay itong babae na isang Wan Yun. Kaya nga po, nung sinabi nila na sinalakay ang bahay ko at may mga wanted na mga POGO bosses doon, ako po'y talagang nag-conclude na meron talagang pilit na naninira sa akin. Gaya nung naunang release na ng PAGCOR na ako daw ay naglakad para sa lisensya ng isang illegal na POGO at matapos naman marinig ang testimonya ni Chairman Altenco, wala naman pong ganong sinabi.
Attorney
si Mr.
Roque,
Altenco.
wag muna po tayo dumako sa ibang issue.
Okay.
Focus muna tayo sa tanong ni SP Pro Temp na may tanong din ako. Mamaya, dadako po tayo sa ibang mga issue pati yung nabanggit nyo. So let's please focus.
Okay, so meron po akong interest sa korporasyon na may-ari ng bahay na yan. In fact, in the near future, I am concluding a transaction na kukunin ko yung buong korporasyon na may-ari ng bahay na yan. Now, pero ang ina-emphasize ko po, regardless of the ownership, there is a contract of lease which is duly notarized and which I will submit before this honorable body, which means na ang possession po dyan is in the hands of Ms. Wan Yu, who is a legal resident of the Philippines with an alien certificate of registration and in possession of a 9G working visa. Ang gusto ko nga po malaman, kung nakita nila doon sa bahay na yon, yung tao na hinahanap nila na allegedly may tie sa Banban. Dahil kung di naman po ako nagkakamali, again, as part of due diligence, yung isang lalaking nahuli dyan is the partner of of the lessee, no? Hindi ko naman po tinatanggi na may interest talaga ako dyan sa korporasyon na yan, albeit not 100% as of yet, pero magiging 100% na po yan. Now, yun nga po, yung lalaki, ang alam ko, is the partner of Wan Yun, and alam nyo po, hanggang ngayon, meron akong katiwala doon. Kasi nga po, nais ko masigurado na yung lessee will only use the premises for residential purposes. No? Dahil nung ako po ay nasa gobyerno pa, may mga nagrereklamo sa mga villages gaya ng multinational village na ginagawang POGO at 70 people at a time ang nasa residential homes. So nagtalaga pa ako ng caretaker para masigurado na wala pong ganyan at ang caretaker's report naman ay talagang hanggang 3 tao lang ang nakatira ron. Ang question po is, yun nga po, kung yung lalaking nahuli ay siyang merong tie sa Banban at dahil ang alam ko po, nag-due diligence din naman kami kung sino yung lalaking yon, partner yon nung aking lessee, but gentleman of leisure po yun eh. Ang sinasabi nung aking katiwala, hindi naman umaalis ng bahay, golf lang ng golf kasi may golf course po dyan at nang tinanong namin minsan ano ba ang trabaho niya, sabi niya he is a digital nomad, no? Cryptocurrency. No? So nais ko po makita talaga kung ano yung ebidensya na yung lalaking yon ay involved sa Banban. Dahil kung hindi naman po, talagang meron pong concerted effort na iling ako dito sa mga POGO, no? Na akin namang itinatanggi po. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat, Attorney Roque and SP Pro Temp. But follow up lang, Attorney Roque, sabi niyo korporasyon ang may-ari ng bahay na ni-raid
Opo.
at natagpuan ng 2 foreign nationals na associated ng PAOK sa Bamban at nasa custody ngayon ng BI. Sabi nyo sa ano yan, sa korporasyon. But you also, nung nagsalita kayo kanina, you also referred to it as bahay ko.
Well, I do not deny po na I have an interest in the corporation. Hindi ko po dinideny yun. In fact,
Aling korporasyon po iyan?
ang pangalan po ata is PH2. Hindi ko maalala, no?
PH2.
PH2.
Pero wait a minute. Dapat maalala nyo po.
Well,
you intend to
mahaba po yung pangalan.
procure 100% ownership
Anyway,
of it.
maya-maya po,
PH2.
darating po
What
yung...
does PH2 stand for
Well,
po?
ano po yan eh? That's the location of the address of the house. Okay. Anyway, maya-maya
PH2,
po...
why? What's the whole address
parang
po of the
phase
house?
2, black number, gano'n.
Okay,
no?
phase 2.
Pero maya-maya po, nagpakuha ko ng contract of lease para ipakita rito sa komite na ito, no? Na,
And sa ngayon po, kayo ang majority shareholder ng PH2.
sa ngayon po, hindi.
Hindi.
Pero
Anong
kami
percentage po, ng
ang,
ownership nyo?
Ay, nako, nominal lang po ako ngayon. No? Nominal.
10%, 20%?
Well, ngayon po lumalabas, ano lang ako, nag-subscribe lang po ako when it was incorporated, no?
At sino po yung majority shareholder sa
Ang majority is another corporation
PH2?
po. Another
What is that
corporation.
other corporation?
It's Biancham Holdings po.
Ano pong pangalan?
Biancham Holdings.
Biancham
Holdings.
Holding. B-I-A-N
CHAM.
Bianchan Holdings.
Yes, yes.
Magkano ganong kalaki yung majority?
Lahat po yan
Sold.
sa Biancham Holdings.
Pero minority,
wholly owned.
nominal kayo.
Nominal.
Wholly.
Oo, wholly owned po yan by
Bianchan
Biancham.
Holdings. Sino pong incorporators ng Bianchan Holdings?
Attorney Percival Ortega po at yun po naalala ko si Attorney Percival Ortega. I think meron din pong attorney, hindi ko na po maalala kung sino pa yan, pero I think meron pang, well, minimum of 5 po yan eh. Pero majority shareholder
Alright.
is Attorney Percival Ortega.
Okay. So majority shareholder si Attorney Percival Ortega para sa Bianchan Holding. There's at least 1 other attorney at 3 pa
Yes.
for a
Apo,
total
apo.
of 5.
But
okay
I confirm that we're in the process of buying into Biancham now.
All right. And
we
sabi
want a
nyo nga,
controlling interest.
you want 100% ba or controlling
We will
lang?
have controlling interest of Biancham po pag natapos na ang mga papeles.
All right. Pero nasa Homeowners Association din po kayo ng subdivision, tama po?
Well, nung simula po, dahil tinirang ko po yan nung ako po yung umalis sa gobyerno nung 2019, pero nung bumalik ako sa gobyerno, hindi na po ako tumira doon. Pero hanggang ngayon po, I consider myself a resident of Baguio but I stay in another house.
Pero member po kayo ng HOA dun sa subdivision? na yun?
Mandatory po na yung corporate owner is a member of the Homeowners Association.
So, member po, dahil mandatory, member kayo ng HOA ng subdivision?
Member po yung corporation that owns the house.
Okay. So, sinong nakapangalang representative ng Bianchan Holdings sa HOA nung subdivision?
Hindi po ako sigurado, no? Kung sino ngayon ang nakapangalan doon, no? But I do know that lahat po ng mga dues are being paid and the real estate taxes are being paid.
Sino pong nagbabayad ng dues at real estate taxes para
Well,
sa
ano po,
Bianchan?
it is also Biancham, no, that pays for it, no. But in any case, hindi ko po dinideny that, you know, that is a house that I have an interest in. I have lived in the house. Ang sinasabi ko lang po, pinaupahan po yan and possession is now with the lessee.
For the record, yung Bianchan Holdings, nabalita po dati na may partnership sa First Mariveles Holdings Corp o FBMHC na nag-apply for POGO license dati.
Hindi po.
Maaring, no.
I deny
It's,
that. I deny
that. You deny it. Okay.
Yes, ang
well, we will ask
application
the
po is
proper...
AFAB.
Oo.
It's the Freeport Authority of Bataan.
Okay,
It
we
is
will
not
ask
with
that.
PAGCOR.
All right, we will ask that sa present and possibly past PAGCOR chairs later.
Wala po yung application at all with PAGCOR.
Yes, well noted yung denial nyo. Itatanong. Pero POGO po siya.
Hindi po.
Hindi rin
That's
siya
a real
POGO.
estate development company
Real
na
estate.
nag-apply po for accreditation sa AFAB pero hindi na po na-pursue.
Okay, we will ask that of
AFAB
of
po.
no. The chair will say who we will ask that from. We will ask that from PAGCOR, and if necessary, invite AFAB to the next hearing if necessary. Pero itatanong muna natin sa PAGCOR mamaya. So, attorney, wala po kayong possession ng bahay pero may supervision dahil may bantay po
May
kayo
bantay
doon.
po.
Okay po. All right, salamat. So just to continue with salamat Attorney Roque. Just to continue with the BI, Attorney Arellano, no? Attorney Arellano. Okay. Sinabi po ng BI.
Madam Chair.
Yes, sir.
Chief
Yes, sir.
Fortunato Manahan po, Chief ng Intel.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Yes. Opo. Sorry, sir. Salamat po. Nag-ulat po kayo sa komite namin tungkol sa raid nyo dun sa pinaraid na bahay, pinaraid po ng PAOK na bahay sa Benguet. Do you wish to add anything else po para sa impormasyon ng komiteng ito tungkol sa raid na yon, yung dalawang taong nadatnan nyo doon na nasa custody nyo ngayon, and any other details about the house or the raid in general?
Yes, Madam Chairperson. Just for the final clarification lang po na yung male and female, the two subjects, is under the custody of PAOK since Saturday po.
Noted po. I
Thank you.
stand corrected. So, under custody ng PAOK, yung isang Chinese woman at isang Cambodian man. Alright. Maraming salamat po, Chief Manahan. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam
Apo.
Chairperson.
So, could we have Sir Attorney Arellano back for further questions for the BI? Yes, SP Pro Temp.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Ano pangalan mo? Attorney Arellano?
Opo.
So as we speak, nakalis na ba si Alice Goo?
Based po sa records namin kaninang umaga, nandito pa po si
Nandito pa.
Alice Go at saka yung Go Wapping.
May I ask the OSA kung ano ng status ng warrant of arrest nitong si Mayor Go? Bakit hindi mahanap-hanap? If they have coordinated with the police agencies concerned? Sino mga nasa OSA rito?
Si General Acan. Gusto niyo matawag ko?
Bakit hindi mahuli-huli itong mayor na ito?
SP Pro Tem, pinapatawag po si General Angcan.
Alright.
Please proceed.
So, as we speak, nandito pa? Attorney Arellano?
Based po sa record namin, nasa Pilipinas pa po.
Sigurado ko dyan, ha?
Yes po, yes po.
Baka nakaalis na yan, nag-private plane yan. Paano nyo matututukan kung nag-private plane yung tao?
Kasama po sa mga minomonitor namin yung lahat ng ports, airports or seaports. So, kung kahit po gumamit ng
Marami
private
tayong airports
plane,
dito, hindi lang sa Manila. Maraming mga maliliit na airports dito sa ating bansa. So how can you monitor it? Nang nakaalis?
may mga immigration officers po sa mga iba't ibang subports at seaports.
Even sa mga maliliit na airports natin, meron?
Basta
Na hindi naman international airport?
po international.
Halimbawa ako, pumunta ako ron sa Katarman Airport. Napakaliit. Wala namang immigration doon. Sumakay ako. Pumunta ako ron. O, tapos padala ako sa Hong Kong. Kaya ng isang maliit na aeroplano. Paano nyo mamamonitor yan?
Usually po, pag may mga chartered flights, ini-inform din po yung immigration para i-monitor namin kung sino yung mga sasakay dun sa aeroplano.
Eh pagka fictitious yung binigay na pangalan, paano? Paano nyo monitor yan?
Na-check naman po namin.
SP Pro Temp, nandito na po. I-acknowledge ko lang muna presensya ni Sen Robin. Shukran for attending the hearing. And Senator Grace, maraming salamat for joining the hearing. And SP Pro Temp, andito na rin po si General Angcan, yung ating
tatanungin
Office
ko lang
Sergeant at
kung ano
Arms.
yung status ng warrant of arrest ni Mayor Go. Bakit hindi mahanap-hanap? Have you coordinated with the PNP, NBI para mahuli?
General Angkan, sa kabila ng marami nyo ng suporta sa komite, sa tulong din ng NBI sa pagsuserve ng mga subpoena at saka warrant. So, paki-address po yung concern ni SP Pro Temp.
Madam Chair, Your Honors, before we conducted the issuance of serving the order of arrest, we coordinated with the Philippine National Police, as well as after which I coordinated with NBI with regard to the arrest of the 8 personalities.
So what happened? I mean, ba't hindi nyo pa mahanap?
So now I'm still checking with them, and the capability of your Senior Sergeant at Arms is only to serve, and we are purely on coordination with these law enforcement agencies, Your Honor.
Are there any representatives from the PNP or NBI present here today?
Sino pong magsasalita para sa PNP? Police Colonel Lagares, sir. And then nandito rin po SP Pro Temp ang NBI, si Deputy Director Magno.
Are you coordinating? Have you coordinated with the law enforcement agencies, General?
Madam Chair, Your Honor, I talked with the Chief of the Philippine National Police, and as well as to the Director NBI, Judge Santiago, Your Honor.
All right. Colonel Lagare.
Madam Chair, Your Honor, I'm Police Colonel John Mark J. Lagare, the Chief of Staff of the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group. And for that actionable item, Your Honor, we have already designated a tracker team from the Regional Field Unit and also from the higher headquarters to look for Mayor Alice Gozum, Your Honor.
The warrant of arrest has been issued by this committee a long time ago.
Yes.
Ba't hanggang ngayon hindi pa makuha yan? Makuha itong mayor na ito? Wala ba kayong lead?
Actually, I will first inquire for the tracker team from the DSOYO detectives.
Ano?
The detective support operation unit, Your Honor, and I will give feedback.
Sino?
Mic niyo, sir.
Sige, while waiting, who's the representative from the NBI?
At SP Pro Temp, Colonel Lagare, kung maaari, bigay nyo yung sagot sa tanong ni SP Pro Temp within this hearing po. So could we hear from the NBI, Deputy Director Magno?
Mr. Chair, SP Prompt, good morning, sirs. The warrant of arrest has already been cascaded to our regions and districts. As of now, our teams and most of the agents are doing their best to locate and serve the warrant of arrest of this honorable committee, Mr. Chair. Madam Chair.
Okay, the chairperson, Madam Chairperson, has made statements that Mayor Go has been very active on Facebook. Hindi nyo ba matrace yan? Yung IP address niyan?
Efforts are being done by our cybercrime group, Madam Chair.
Why is it taking so long? When did the committee issue this warrant of arrest against her? Kailan ba initiate? July 11. Oh, 2 weeks na, hindi pa mahanap.
I will immediately check the status right now of our
Wala ba kayong
cybercrime.
lead? Asan
Mr.
siya?
Chair, we were informed that by our assets as of prior to the issuance of the warrant of arrest, there are some sightings in Bulacan. However,
Sightings lang.
sightings lang po.
Kamukha lang niya.
However, when the team went to the possible locations of the sightings, ay as of now, malalaman po natin na wala naman pong nahuli o nakita pa po, Mr. Chair. Madam Chair.
Kailan niyo mapapangako sa committee ito kung kailan niyo mahuli yan?
We will try our best, Madam Chair, to issue to serve the warrant of arrest soonest and we will submit a report to this effect.
If you cannot arrest her within a month, baka maapekto ng budget ninyo.
Noted po, Madam Chair. Yes, sir. We will do our best.
Ganon din sa pulis yan. Pag hindi nyo mahanap within a month yan. Dahil we cannot just keep on waiting here. Mahina yung mga intelligence ninyo pag ganon. Ang dami-daming mga nasa-serve ng warrant of arrest yan. Mabilis mahuli. Bakit ito? Kilala pa, hindi nyo mahuli. You better get your acts together. Kailangan may proper coordination kayo with all our law enforcement agencies. Yun sa amin, on the part of the Senate, yung saan namin, we can just do so much. Hindi naman sila kasing powerful ninyo na lahat na resources nasa inyo. Okay?
Salamat, SP Pro Temp and Deputy Director Domingo and Police Colonel Lagare. Maraming salamat po, General Angkan. Yes, and Grace. Sino pong nandito para sa Bureau of Immigration? I'm sorry. Sa BID? Yes.
Good morning, Miss Chair.
Good morning. Sorry, hindi ko makita yung nameplate ng attorney.
I'm Attorney Homer Arellano po from the Bureau of Immigration.
Salamat, Attorney Arellano. Nagkondukta po kayo ng raid nitong weekend sa isang subdivision. Nag-raid po kayo ngayong weekend sa isang subdivision sa Tuba, Benguet. Pwede po bang may ulat tungkol sa raid na iyan sa komiteng ito? Halimbawa, bakit po kayo nag-raid? Sino ang nadatnan nyo? At sinong may-ari ng bahay na yon?
Ma'am, para po sa mas better discussion sa description, yung pong chief namin ng Intel Division ang mag-discuss po.
Alright, please. Chief Intel, kumari pong lumapit kayo rito. Nakapag-sumpa po ba kayo kanina? Alright, thank you, sir. Please take your seat. Ano pong buong pangalan nyo, sir?
Good morning, Madam Chairperson, Your Honors, and good morning to this committee. Fortunato S. Manahan Jr., Madam Chairperson, Chief of the Intelligence Division.
Chief Manahan? Alright, thank you, sir. So, pakiulat sa komite kung yung dahilan ng pag-raid, kung mayroon at anong identity ng mga taong nadatnan doon at yung may-ari ng bahay na iyon. Please proceed.
Madam Chairperson, last Friday, there was a coordination ng PAOK sa aming bureau, sa aming commissioner, to conduct an operation sa Benguet. And the Bureau of Immigration issued a mission order signed by the commissioner for a certain subject. Nag-dispatch po tayo ng team to join the PAOK, and then 2 foreign nationals po ang na-arrest po, and now in the custody of the PAOK.
Sino po itong foreign nationals?
Madam Chair, 1 male and 1 female. The female is a Chinese national. The male is a Cambodian national.
Okay. At ano yung specific na dahilan na nag-raid kayo doon? At ano yung kinalaman nitong dalawang nadatnan ninyo, kinustody ninyo, anong kinalaman nila doon sa dahilan ng pagpaparaid?
Madam Chair, the information received through the coordination of PAOK, yung target subjects daw ho is involved sa Bamban raid a few months ago.
So hindi lamang po involved sa Pogo in general, pero partikular sa Pogo sa Bamban. Ibig pong sabihin mula Bamban, maaring tumakas sila basta excuse me, lumipat sila sa Benguet.
Wala naman hong information na ganon, pero yung subject po is cited daw po sa Mountain Province, which is Benguet.
Okay, so yung subject persons na, kumbaga, persons of interest kaugnay ng Bamban Pogo na site sa Benguet, kaya pinaraid po sa BI.
Together with the PAOK, Madam Chair.
Yes, so BI and PAOK. And sinong may-ari ng bahay kung saan nadatnan yung Chinese woman at Cambodian man?
Madam Chair, yung Bureau of Immigration po, wala hong personal knowledge dun sa name or ownership of the residents. We're just after the foreign nationals stated dun sa mission order issued.
So sa mission order, paano dinescribe nung PAOK yung bahay na pinaparade sa inyo kasama nila?
Wala hong information na naibigay sa amin. Only the name of the foreign national stated sa mission order, Madam Chair.
Alright. May tanong si
Is
SP Pro
there a
Tem.
representative from PAOK here present?
Comsec, nandito ba ang PAOK?
Ibig
Alright.
sabihin, when you
Please proceed.
applied for a mission order, hindi nyo in-specify kung kaninong bahay yun i-raid ninyo?
Yes, Madam Chairperson, Your Honor. We're just after the site and the name
Didn't
of the
you
subject.
dare to ask who owns the house?
Hindi po. Usually, when we conduct operations po, hindi naman ho namin tinatanong kung sino yung owner of the establishment or owner of the house.
Okay, as we speak, wala ba kayong alam kung sino may-ari ng bahay?
Wala po, Your Honor.